What's up people, welcome back to another video. This is Gufran and you're watching the MBA grad in Germany. So in today's video I will be talking about the Uniassist application process. So Uniassist is a portal where most of your application to universities taken place. In Uniassist you have to apply to different colleges through Uniassist or different universities through Uniassist. So it is just a medium where most of the application for different universities is taking place. Like there are some college for which there is a direct portal on the college through which we have to apply, but there are some universities or colleges for that you have to apply directly to Uniassist. There's no other way out, is you have to go through Uniassist. It's compulsory, so you have to upload all your documents and apply to that university through Uniassist. So in this video I will be talking about the basic form filling process of Uniassist. And in the next video I will also be uploading what is a VPD. So VPD is a kind of document that some universities require. So that thing I'll be uploading in a separate video. So if you like this video, do watch this video till then. Hopefully you'll understand what all the basic processes are involved while doing a Uniassist application. So do watch the video till the end and let's start with today's video. First you have to type Uniassist in this search box. After that you have to open this link, Uniassist EV online portal. So as you can see, I'm assuming that you all are new to Uniassist and you have no account over here on this portal. So we will create a new account. So here we go. First, in the email section here you have to write the email ID of yours. So I'll just write an email ID and show you. Then again you have to re-enter the email ID in the next tab. So after that you have to set the desired password. Again you have to re-enter the password. Okay, then lastly you have to tick this box over here so that you can see the terms and conditions over here. After that you have to tick this and just click over here, create a new account. So here they have written thank you for creating a new account and we will receive an email. Okay, so they will send us an activation link. We have to click that within the coming 7 days, and then it will be activated. Another thing is that sometimes this email is diverted into a spam folder, so like we may not be able to see it. So just check it in your spam folder also if you receive this auto-generated mail. So next then we'll go in this I'll open this my mail ID. Okay, so in inbox just see whether they have sent it or not. So as you can see that Uniassist have sent us an activation link over here. You just have to click it. After you see this page, here they have written, dear applicant, we have received your registration. Please activate account by clicking the link. Okay, so this is our email ID which we have put, and this is the activation link. So what we have to do then is click on this activation link, and after that our account will be activated. So just click over here it will be diverted to the Uniassist portal. So as you can see here, our account is activated successfully. Now we can sign in to our account. So here in the rightmost corner, topmost corner, it's written sign in. So click on that. After that, you have to write the same email ID by which we have created the account. Okay, that's common sense. Then you have to enter the password over here. And then we have to sign in. Okay, so here we go. So see, our account has been created, which we can see by our email ID is over here in the top, and by here we can log out. So now we have to do the further process from here. I'll